8 symptoms of high blood pressure. Most people with high blood pressure will not experience any symptoms. It is often known as the silent killer for this reason. However, once blood pressure reaches about 180/110 of a millimeter of mercury, it is considered a medical emergency known as a hypertensive crisis. At this stage, symptoms will show. 1. Headache. Headaches are a sign of high blood pressure. Be conscious of how frequently you have migraines. 2. Malignant hypertension is exceedingly high blood pressure that creates a force in the cranium, the part of the skull that surrounds the brain. As the blood pressure increases to dangerous levels, pain builds up in the head, often causing migraines or severe headaches. 2. Nausea. When blood pressure increases, the heart pumps out less blood, and as such, your organs may receive less oxygenated blood. A lack of oxygenated blood to the brain causes uneasiness and nausea. If you have nausea for no other reason you can identify, you may have hypertension. 3. Brain fog. As you age, you may believe that slower brain function is normal, but it can also be a sign of high blood pressure. Some people completely lose interest in carrying out daily activities. Don't ignore this symptom, consult your doctor right away. 4. Dizziness. People with hypertension usually experience dizziness. A lack of oxygen to the brain sometimes causes you to feel off balance. While dizziness can be a side effect of some blood pressure medications, high blood pressure does not cause dizziness directly. Sudden dizziness, loss of balance or coordination, and trouble walking are all warning signs of a stroke, and high blood pressure is a leading risk factor. 5. Blurred or double vision. High blood pressure can cause parts of your brain to swell, which leads to blurred vision. The part of the brain directly connected to the nerves of the eyes expands. This connection is especially sensitive to heightening hypertension. More the inflammation in the brain worsens, the optic nerve may also swell, which will cause vision impairment as well. 6. Nosebleeds. Hypertension can cause nosebleeds. If the nose occasionally starts to bleed and it worsens, it may be a sign of hypertension. If you start noticing your nose bleeds more frequently, have your blood pressure checked. More than one nosebleed a week might be a sign of hypertension, occurring because the increased blood flow harms the tiny blood vessels in your nose. 7. Swollen feet. Pulmonary arterial hypertension or PA is an extreme byproduct of high blood pressure. The swelling of your feet, legs, and ankles could be the result of your kidneys malfunctioning. Fluid retention is more likely the longer you have PA. Swollen feet can also be a sign of heart disease. Seek medical attention if you have this symptom of high blood pressure. Breathlessness. Difficulty breathing is an indicator of high blood pressure. When heart chambers thicken, there is not as much space for the blood, which pumps out to the rest of the body. If easy tasks suddenly leave you short of breath, take this as a warning and immediately seek medical hypertension treatment, as you may have intracranial hypertension. In addition, I'll introduce an exercise program that will help to lower your blood pressure. The program will teach you 3 easy, effective mind-body exercises that guarantee to drop your blood pressure below 120/80 naturally.
Of the various market plants, Goya is something special. It can help you with a lot of health issues such as diabetes, cancer and high blood pressure. This plant is also known as Corolla, Goya, bitter gourd, and it's visually similar to cucumber. It makes wonders for our health. The origins of bitter gourd is from South America and Asia and needs warmth and humidity for growing. It cures many things, but cancer too. The expert in anti-aging procedures and cures Dr. Frank Shalabaja discovered Corolla many years ago. We suggest that cancer patients should eat bitter gourd during their treatment, because it stops the cancerous cells growing in human body. He also stated that bitter gourd could kill 98% of cancerous cells. The Colorado University made a study that examined the effects of Goya on humans with cancer. The outcomes were 5% Goya arrangement reduces pancreas malignancy and 64% pancreas tumors. This plant simply wrecks cancer, diabetes and high blood pressure. Apart from this fact, Corolla also treats skin problems, asthma, hypertension, diabetes, belly problems, benefits of consuming oil on a daily basis: metabolism improvement and more energy during the day. Diminished follows neural tube effects in babies, normalizing blood pressure. Corolla has polypeptide P and carnitine that levels pressure, and treating diabetes too. Improved immunity that leads to lowering infections, clear vision and lower eye issues, since it has beta carotene, liver detox and hangover removal. Great digestion, aids gout and blood flow, cures psoriasis and fungi like athlete's foot. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.